Hey, we're gonna make some salmon muffins, so we got a slab of salmon here we're gonna slice up. This is 2.5 pounds of salmon. Okay, we're gonna make the marinade for the salmon right now. So we got garlic, got some ginger paste, we got raw honey, soy sauce, avocado oil, sesame seed oil, white sesame seed, rice vinegar, and
green
onions.
So I'm doubling the recipe. So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. My honey's crystallized, but I'm still using it.
How much are we putting in?
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
And 6 cloves of crushed garlic. Like I said, I'm doing 7. I like it garlicky. So 3 green onions. Just take it, dump it in the salmon, and then you'll marinate it overnight.
Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and make the glaze, and we're doubling the batch.
We'll start with 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. These are white sesame seeds. Ginger paste, 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons soy sauce. And 2 teaspoons sriracha. 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons sesame seed oil. I'm adding 4 cloves of fresh garlic because the recipe doesn't call for it, but I kind of tasted it and my family loves garlic, so I'm just gonna add that to the mixture. Okay, so I've been marinating this for about 20 hours, and every 6 or 7 hours I just come in and I incorporate everything together. That way it gets nice and coated, and it'll be ready for me to make my little muffins in about 2 hours.
Got some rice made. But here we're gonna use this organic roasted seaweed, and then a muffin pan. There's our salmon ready to go.
Get 4 or 5 pieces of the salmon. Put it on there. Okay, I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I have them all filled up, and I'm going to pop them in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees.
This is the way to eat salmon.
It's so good.
That's delicious.
Mhm.
If you don't like salmon, this will make you like salmon.